Hi friends, today we're starting our journey to learning the alphabet letters and sounds. So we're going to do something a little different when we come in the room on Wednesdays. On Wednesdays when we come into the room, we're going to walk to our chair. I'm pretending I'm Grace. Gracie will walk to her chair. She'll open up her book bag and get her yellow folder and her school tools out of her book bag. Then she'll hang her book bag on the back of her chair, and before she sits down, she'll get her happy face, push real hard, and clip it on her shirt like that. Then she'll open up her homework folder, and look, here's the homework. Now we're going to pretend it's all colored. It's not because she hasn't been here, but the A will be colored, and you'll have practiced with Play-Doh on your page protector. So when Mrs. Brown and I see your homework here, we'll pull it out, give you a star, and then we'll put it in your page protector so you can practice making the letter shape with your Play-Doh. The next thing we'll do is we'll take your letter A homework and put it in your homework to return.
That's the wrong side, Mrs. Booker. We're going to put homework to do.
Homework to do goes right here. And then after you do your homework, you're going to put it in homework to return. Then we'll put our folder in our book bag. That's a lot to remember, Mrs. Brown.
It is.
We'll help you. The next thing we're going to do is take the rubber band off of our school tools. Take the lid off and put our rubber band in our school tool container. Now here's what we're going to do next. Our name will be written in yellow at the bottom of our paper, so we need to use a pencil. We're going to pretend this pen is a pencil. We're going to use our pencil. We're going to pinch the dolphin's fin, put one finger underneath, and these two fingers, we don't need, they're curled up. I'm going to write my name. I'm writing right over top of the letter. Tracing means write right over top. I always start at the top and go to the bottom. Start at the top and go to the bottom. Start at the top and go to the bottom. Start at the top and go to the bottom. I wrote my name. Next, we're going to do the pancake flip. Now, friends, I see the capital A and lowercase a that we learned on Monday. First thing we're going to do is put our pencil on the star at the top of the letter and slide all the way down the middle of the road. Then we're going to go back to the top and slide down all the way the middle, the other side of the road. Now we have to build a bridge. Capital A. Now to write the lowercase a, we're going to make a magic C. We put our pencil on the star, round and round and round, stop. And the next thing we're going to do is make a short line. That's lowercase a, capital A, and lowercase a. Now here we have to be letter detectives. Is this letter a capital A? No, it has a point, but it doesn't have a bridge. That's not an A. You're right, that's a V. Here, is this an A? Slide down, give it a bridge. That's an A, so we'll draw a circle around the A. Now, is this an A? Yes, it's a lowercase a. I see the magic C and the short line, so draw a circle around the lowercase a. I see a magic C with a short line. That's a lowercase a. I see a magic C, but this line has a curl on the bottom. That's not an A. That's a lowercase g. Is this a capital A? Oh my goodness, you're right. Slide down, build a bridge. That's a capital A. Is this an A? I see a magic C and a short line. That's a lowercase a, so we'll draw a circle. Is this an A? Yes, it is. It's our friend, the capital A. A says ah. A says ah. Every letter has a sound. A says ah. And A, it says its name. What letter is this? That's no A. That's a Z. Don't circle that. Now we go to the bottom and I see a pattern. Capital A, lowercase a. Capital A, lowercase a. Capital A, lowercase a. We are going to trace right down the middle of the road. Slide, slide, build a bridge, capital A. Magic C, short line, lowercase a. Capital A, slide, slide, bridge, capital A. Magic C, short line, lowercase a. Slide, slide, build a bridge, capital A. Then magic C and a short line, lowercase a. A says ah, or it can say A too. A says ah like axe, say axe. A says ah like ant, say ant. A says ah like astronaut, say astronaut. A says ah like alligator. A says ah like apple, say apple. A says ah like alphabet. Good job. The last thing we get to do is color the pictures. I'm going to color my axe handle brown, but you can color yours whatever color you want. Color all the pictures so they look awesome, and then bring your paper back to school for us to see. This is awesome.
Not this one, Mrs. Beck.
We'll be doing this one in school, but the friends at home who are listening to this will need to be doing theirs at home. So when you get this paper done, you bring it back to school, okay? Everybody ready to do our first paper. You guys are going to be so awesome. Now, friends, on the back of our paper that we just did, we're going to write some words and draw some pictures. Now, if your pictures don't look just like mine, should you be worried? No, because all artists draw a little differently. Friends, can anybody tell me I start at the top and slide down, start at the top and slide down, and then I build a bridge. What letter is that? A. Give your brain a kiss. Good job. Now the next letter, I don't know if you'll know this, it's a line down, short line down, and then a rainbow all the way to the bottom. Anybody know that letter? N. A says A, N says N. And what's this last letter? A line down and a line across. Oh, Mike, are you in kindergarten already? Are you in kindergarten?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Let's see if you can figure out what it says. A says A, N says N, and T says T. No, not T. Let's see if we can sound it. And. Let's do it slow. Ready? And. Now let's do it fast. Ready? And. 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 What letter is that? What word is it? Ant. Ant. Now an ant is an insect, so we know it has 3 parts. A head, a thorax, and an abdomen. And how many legs do insects have? 6. Good thinking. So we're going to give our ant 6 legs. And I'm just going to draw some short lines down. Now, ants have something on top of their heads that look like this. Antennas. And we better give our ants
And
some
that starts with an
eyes.
A.
It does, Mrs. Brown. All kinds of abdomen starts with A,
Yes.
too. Can everybody hear that? So I wrote the word ant, and then I draw a picture. Give me a thumbs up if you think you can draw an ant. What do you think? All right, let's see what this next word is. A. Does anybody know this letter? X. And it's a magic C. That magic C, we call it magic because it makes so many letters. When I draw a line over, what is it? E. A-X-E. This is a hard one. Axe. 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 Yes, an axe. Now, to draw an axe, friends, I would draw. Do you know what an axe is? What do you use an axe for? Yeah, like this. Let's use an axe. Let's chop some wood. Ready? Ah! I just chopped my finger. Ah! Can you say ah? Ah! Ah for axe. So, friends, I'm going to draw a triangle, and then I'm going to put a stick down here. I actually could draw a really skinny triangle. Guess that looks kind of like an axe, huh? That's an axe. What is it? Axe. Okay, there's one more word here. I'm starting with a magic C, and then a short line. What's that letter? A. It's a lowercase a. Now watch this, friends. A long line that dips below, and a bubble. A long line that dips below, and a little bump or a belly. Oh, this is a good one. It goes to the top and stops. What letter is that?
P.
This is a P. This is a P. Do you know what this is? L. And now again I make a magic C and a line across. What letter is that? Who said apple?
E.
It is apple. So friends, to draw an apple, you could just draw a circle, or you could draw a frontward C and a backward C. That's another way to draw an apple. And a stem, and you could give it a leaf if you wanted. Now, if that's a little too hard, you could just draw a circle with a stem, and you could do a leaf. I do a rainbow and a rainbow to draw a leaf, and that's an apple. Let's read the words. Ready? Ant, axe, apple. Friends, did everybody notice how I'm holding? You're going to use your pencil. I used a marker so you can see. These two fingers I don't need, so I fold them down. Then I pinch my marker. Look, I could hold it with just two fingers, but it's hard to write, so I use my third finger to prop it up like this. See how I do it? Okay, that's really awesome. Do you think you could do that?
Yeah.
All right, now friends, when you're tracing the letters, did you notice the letters are dotted, but I didn't go dot, 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 dot. I did line, okay? And if you go off the dots a little bit, should you cry or get upset? No, because each week when we do these papers, you'll get better and better at it, okay? Everybody go find your spot.